Life is better when you can simply unplug. It gives time for more intimate conversations and just quality time spent together. Whether you're playing games, snuggling on a couch, or just hanging with friends, this RV is perfect for all of it. And it all starts in the living area with a jackknife sofa directly across from a dinette. This is a 2025 Eddie Bauer 210RD-C, and here is what I love about this layout. You have the sofa right here directly across from the dinette, and if it's just two of you, it's great. You have a couple seating areas, but if you invite guests, you invite friends, family, now everyone can be in this nice intimate conversation. It just feels like what camping should be, closeness without all of the TVs and other distractions. The other great thing about this jackknife sofa, one, is that this drops down. So again, if it's just two of you and you want, just kind of more of like a theater seating feel, you can have that. Two, with a jackknife sofa, look at all the additional storage you get underneath. That's a great spot for throw pillows, some bedding, whatever else you may need. And then again, right across the way is the dinette. So not only do you have Eddie Bauer embossed in the seats, which I really like, but this also gives you a great spot to just, again, have a meal together or play games. I'm a big fan of playing board games when I camp. This right here is where I'd be spending a lot of my time. Also, you get a big window that looks out to the campsite. So, this whole back thing, if you look, is basically windows. So if even though it doesn't have any slides, this floor plan feels very open. And you're not really sacrificing storage in this one either. You have storage under the dinettes. I showed you the storage under the sofa. We have storage up over here, and if you can't live without a TV, that's okay. There is a backer right back here, so you can mount a small one up in the corner. Again, that way, when you are in the sofa, you're able to watch it nice and easily. The kitchen offers plenty of countertop space and a 10 cubic foot fridge. One of the things I love about the kitchen, the 210RD, is this right here. They gave you dedicated prep space in between the cooktop and the sink. Now it's a thermoformed countertop, which is going to be a big upgrade from T-mold. Also allows us to undermount the stainless steel bowl here. Of course, you get a high-rise faucet with the window in the back, letting in natural light. And over to this side is a recessed 3-burner cooktop. So if you're not using it, you get all this as prep space as well. If you do need to use it, just fold this up and back, super easy to get to. And they give you an oven, which may seem minor, but a lot of manufacturers are actually excluding an oven. You will also see 3 drawers, which I think is fantastic. It gives you space for your flatware, your hot pads, everything else that you're gonna need there. And probably the most important for me is that there's space underneath the sink for a trash can. Now you'll see the beautiful dark green here with the champagne bronze pulls, and as we go up, things get lighter, making the space feel bigger. So you have the uppers here with some storage, microwave and hood over to the side, and then right across the way is a really deep pantry. Next to that is going to be the 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge freezer combo. The bathroom features a good sized vanity with storage and a tub shower. Sitting down on the toilet here, you can see that I have decent space, both for my shoulders as well as my knees. And to give you a frame of reference, I'm about 6 foot, 200 pounds. Now over to this side is the vanity. I do enjoy the fact that they brought it all the way over to give you some additional countertop space. Plus, it opens up a little bit of storage down underneath for toilet paper, black tank chemical, anything else you need to put in here. There is going to be a mirror so you can see yourself as you're getting ready in the morning. And then when I step in the shower, again, as a 6 foot tall person, even without the vent here, I can stand all the way up. It'll probably give you an extra inch or so with the vent here. And then as far as turning, I'm going to be fighting with the curtain just a little bit. However, it is a tub, which can be nice if you bring a doggo or if you have little kiddos. The bedroom features a walk-around residential size queen bed, dual wardrobes, and both of those will have CPAP cutouts. One of the things I really enjoy is when you have a residential size bed in an RV, and that's what you get here. This is a 60 by 80 inch queen bed, the same that you would have in your house. I like that for 2 different reasons. One, if you're taller, your legs aren't going to hang off, unless you're really tall. The other is if you want to swap it out, you can basically use any residential mattress, assuming it's not going to be too thick and surpass your wardrobes. And speaking of wardrobes, you will have one on either side, and what you'll notice is you have these little cutouts, and the idea of this is supposed to be for cell phones or CPAP machines, as you have both 120 outlets and USB ports on both sides. You will also see your nightstands here, as well as a shelf going across the top. You have windows on both sides for cross ventilation, and if you need, there is a spot to mount a TV here in the bedroom. Let's take a quick look at some of the outside features of the Eddie Bauer 210RD-C. Right up front is a power tongue jack, which is great, makes it nice and easy to connect and disconnect from your tow vehicle. And take a look at the size of this pass-through. It has a magnetic catch on the door. It's nice and big. Not just this area right here, but even up front, you get all that added space into the nose of the RV. You will also see that you have a light here that is motion sensor, and it comes with tire pressure monitoring prep. So if you want that added peace of mind, it's nice and easy to add. Right up top is going to be your power awning with an LED strip, and then around the back is going to be backup camera prep. Sometimes it's nice just to be able to get out with nature and just do a digital detox. Now, if you have to, again, there are spots for TVs, but for me, I think this one is perfect for just reconnecting with the ones you love.